A convertible should turn heads for the right reasons, and a faded, worn-looking soft top can take away from an otherwise beautiful vehicle. This convertible top die kit is designed for car owners who want to restore deep, rich color and a clean appearance without the cost and hassle of replacing the entire top. From the first application, the difference is easy to see and even more satisfying once the process is complete. Over time, fabric convertible tops naturally fade from sun exposure, weather, and regular use. This die kit is formulated to penetrate the fabric and restore color evenly, helping to cover light discoloration, small flaws, and visible wear-around seams. With proper preparation and application, the top regains a darker, more uniform tone that closely resembles its original look. After the first coat, results are already noticeable, while a second coat further enhances depth and helps eliminate remaining light spots. The application process is straightforward and manageable for DIY enthusiasts. It allows you to refresh the appearance of your convertible top at home, saving money for other important upgrades or maintenance projects. When paired with proper cleaning beforehand, the dye adheres well and delivers a natural-looking finish rather than a painted or artificial appearance. This solution is ideal for vehicle owners who take pride in preserving their car's appearance and value. It is especially appealing for cars that are well cared for and stored properly, where a restored top can stay looking great for a long time. Instead of accepting a tired, faded look, this kit offers a practical way to extend the life and visual appeal of your existing top. If you want to dramatically improve the look of your convertible and bring it closer to its original condition without replacing it, check the product link in the video description to learn more. Subscribe to the channel to discover more proven car care products that help you protect, restore, and enjoy your vehicle even more.